Hello, beautiful people, lovers of good things, lovers of goodwill all over the globe. I bring greetings from a grateful heart. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on your time zone. Thank you so dearly for always supporting this platform. I really do appreciate. In case you are hearing our voice for the first time, or you are coming across us for the first time, we still remain your one and only Progress News, giving it to you back to back. Remember, in this platform, we react to all videos, and your opinion is highly needed. So sit back, watch this video, and
forgiveness, because I discovered there is no road. I discovered there's no road. I'm begging for forgiveness. The death of Ahmed Gulak, one of the top politicians, well-meaning Nigerian politician. So we are on a patrol team. So they asked me to stop. I was surprised. I just blocked the man with a spider. Then he said the man should go down. The man do as if it doesn't work. Let him get the man not go down. Then Johnny shoot. He didn't enter. So Onyami. Now he said it's like something is in his body. Now he not take away that thing and shot that man, and later we now discover it's Ahmed Gulak. Then at the same time, we have already we now go back and burn Abombise police station and the Obo Etiti and the
yes, I decode them
police station.
And believe you me, I will post them. You will not believe what I will tell you people. But pay attention.
That's over the prison. Now we come for that one, but not be only under command level. Just all the whole entire Southeast under entire Southeast command, both Enugu, Bakileke. So that's joint operation that day. So after that, we now go and kidnap that man where they sell feed for Guru side. Yeah, after we kidnapped the man, so one of our members went and lose the man to go. And we now let her go back again. Command and go back, because what he does is that if we are not serious to do something, he will not go his own reinforcement by himself. Make sure that he meet up his own target. Then he now went back again. So after exchanging bullets, because he don't even know the man, so he now killed two people there, hoping that it was the man. But now I have now realized my mistake. I have not realized my mistake because it has been a long time I've been thinking how to go out, but he has been threatening me that if I eventually try nonsense, he will kill me as he killed for a fool. That was why I just kept quiet. So, all these ammunitions that is on this table was given me by Commander Ebube. To keep. But the main ammunition that recovered from police station, he made away with it, and the
Welcome, great people. This is another propaganda video released by Nigerian security to demonize the Biafran restoration project. This is another propaganda video to demonize the Biafran restoration project by Nigerian security. Great people, my great people, freedom fighters, lovers of freedom, my great people all over the world. You are welcome once again on IPOB Rapture Media under the leadership of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, where we always set the record straight. My name's Mazi Okenna Okechukwu, known as the Biafran Child Nwachineke, the General. My great people, I have busted them, and I will shock every one of you. I have busted them. You know, all this propaganda by Nigerian government, Nigerian security to demonize this Biafran restoration. That is why we are here, to debunk all their lies, to tell the world how it is. I want you people to understand that according to this idiot that was they used, because this guy was just they used this guy to propagate these lies against Biafran restoration. Do you people understand that Nigerian security, they are so funny? These people are real funny people. that they use someone wearing a Masop uniform. I hope you people are getting the point. Can you tell me the uniform that this guy is putting on? You see, that is why these people don't even know anything. We keep on saying that we will be setting agenda for these people to follow. Whenever they bring their idiocy, we will untie it, because these people can't even reason. That is why you see they go and put up somebody wearing a Masop. Can somebody tell me if this uniform is ESN uniform? That is where you see every of their steps. We know every of their steps. Every move that these Nigerian security agents with their propaganda, any move they ever make, we boast them. And that is why somebody like the Biafran child, the general, is here. Can somebody tell me that this boy or this idiot just there yapping, you know, all these things that they're trying to create more problem for our leader, Mazen Namdekan, that even though that our leader talk about this Golak, the politician, that even though the news by the Nigeria also said these people has nothing, I mean the killing of this man has nothing to do with IPOB, because our leader is in DSS dungeon. These people are fabricating lies. These people are concocting story. Carry somebody that is wearing a Masop uniform to now begin to host this man with a flag. You know, he has a flag on his background, talking trash. You know, and now they are using it in a sense that this man is an ESN commander or part of ESN. Now my question is this, because Uwazurike also have to answer this. Uwazurike, I want you to come and identify your uniform. This is a Masop bin uniform. This is where these people don't even understand that we are so intelligent. We are so learned people. We are people that we are so understandable. Whenever any move that these Nigerian security agents make, we must get them. We must bust them. Because now I'm busting them. I want Wazurike to come and answer query now, because this uniform is not an ESN uniform. It's not ESN uniform. This is a Masop bin. Now you begin to understand what I'm saying, because this video now is circulating. People thinking that they know what they are doing. You don't know that these people are just lying. It's just a main propaganda. And we have to hash BBC on this. We need the comments of BBC. Where is BBC to make a documentary and really make a real investigation about what is happening? We need answer and comment from BBC. Where are they? Nowhere to be found. You see how they are damaging our image. It's how they want this Biafran restoration to stop. Because all their plan is for them to just say to stop Nigeria, to stop Biafra. That is exactly what they're saying. But we have come on this path that we have been choosing, that Nigeria must cease to exist. Disintegration of Nigeria is sure. And it's a tax that we are pursuing. At the end, Nigeria will cease to exist. There's no two ways about it. They can bring any propaganda they want. They can dish any lies or anything they could to lay their hand upon. They can do it, but who cares? Now listen to what this idiot was saying. He said he's asking forgiveness. So now you know that you will ask forgiveness. Idiots. They are bring you to lie against your own people. Even though you cannot be sure that if this guy is an Igbo speaking Biafra, you are not sure if this guy is from eastern region of Biafra, which is the whole Biafraland. How are you going to be sure? They may bring a Fulani man, put him in a Masop uniform. That is why I'm calling Ralph Wazurike. Ralph Wazurike should come out and begin to defend this uniform, because this is his uniform. His own agitation, Masop bin agitation, they are the people that have this uniform. This is not uniform from IPOB. This is not from ESN. This is where I hold them. They should come and begin to tell us how did they get the uniform. They are so funny. Nigeria is funny people. They are so funny, I couldn't believe it. And the guy was calling all sorts of places that they went to go and bomb the police station just to lie against, because our leader is already in DSS dungeon, just to look something to hold on. That is why they are bringing all these things. I want you people to understand that this is a propaganda video released by Nigerian security to demonize the Biafran restoration project. And we are here to debunk it. It does not matter if you like, you put flag. The flag is for everybody. We Biafran people, you are entitled to our flag. As far as you, even though a Yoruba man, even though Fulani, they are entitled because they can go and buy the flag and put at back of them. Put Israel flag, put American flag. It's entitled to anybody. You can buy anything you want at any time and use it and make your propaganda. Fake news everywhere. Disinformation everywhere. That is why we are calling BBC. We need BBC comment. We need BBC to talk about this issue. They should go and make real investigation, because this is how they are putting our people's life in danger. At the same time, they were saying that we are the people that are committing the crime. Now they went to go and wear Masop uniform. I want you people to pay attention, because that is where I busted them. I bust them by wearing Masop uniform, and now begin to call, say he's SN. Now you see how they lie. These people can lie. Even though they can lie against the dead body, somebody that have already died. The zoo security propaganda, the zoo security, they can lie against dead body. Somebody that is died, they have already died, cannot, speak for himself or herself. They can lie against the death. Now you begin to understand. I want this video to circulate so that they will know that we have already busted them. That uniform alone is not our own. It's Masop bin. Raf was Rike, please come and answer. You have to come. Good day, welcome.
So my quality people, that brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like this video, share and subscribe if you haven't. Subscription is free. Please smash on that subscribe button that says subscribe and turn on the bell icon for more latest updates. See you when I see you. From me to you, from here, I said bye.